Hi everyone, welcome back to our English lesson. Today we're taking a trip to a very important place in American culture, the convenience store. Yes, the land of snacks, drinks, and food items that probably should not exist but somehow do. Let's learn some English you can use when you buy things in a convenience store and have a little fun while we do it. When you walk in, the worker might say, "Hey, how's it going?" Or, "Let me know if you need anything." This is just a friendly greeting. You don't need to tell them your whole life story. A simple good thanks works perfectly. Now let's pretend you're shopping. Maybe you grab a giant energy drink. You know, the one the size of a small fire extinguisher. You can say, "I'd like to buy this, please." Or, "Just this one, thanks." If you drink the whole thing, you might not sleep until next Thursday. But hey, that's your journey. Next, you see mystery flavor candy. The package says blue raspberry, but let's be honest, blue raspberries don't exist. Still, you can say, "I'd like this candy, please." Then you walk past the rotating hot dog, the one that's been spinning on the machine since 1997. If you want to practice English, you can say, "Can I get one hot dog, please?" But maybe don't actually eat it. That hot dog has seen things. You might also see day-old donuts. They look delicious or dangerous. Hard to tell. If you want one, you can say, "I'd like a donut, please." If it's a little too hard, just pretend it's extra crunchy. Then there's the nacho cheese machine, the one that stays warm 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can say, "Can I get some nachos, please?" Just be prepared. That cheese has been alive longer than some houseplants. Honestly, we don't know how long it's been in there. Could be today, could be last week, could be from a previous presidential administration. Proceed with caution. Maybe you grab a giant cookie, the kind that's bigger than your face. You can say, "I'd like this cookie, please." It's basically a meal or a cry for help. Either way, delicious. And of course, the classic frozen burrito. It's both a snack and a self-defense tool. You can say, "I'd like this burrito, please." Just don't drop it on your foot. You will lose. When you're ready to pay, the cashier will tell you the total. They might say, "That'll be $7.42, or "Your total is $10.15. You can pay with cash, debit card, or credit card. If you use a card, they might say, "You can tap, insert, or swipe." Just follow the instructions on the screen. If the machine beeps loudly, don't worry. It beeps at everyone. It's not judging you. Probably. When you're done, the cashier might say, "Do you want a bag?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, I'm good." And here's a little tip. Literally. If you have some pocket change, you might want to keep it handy. Sometimes there are people outside the store who could really use a little help. Even a few coins can make someone's day. And let's be honest, you're not going to miss those 17 pennies you got as change from buying that giant cookie. Now comes the classic American goodbye. Have a good one. You'll hear this everywhere. It basically means, have a good day, but shorter, because Americans are always in a hurry. You might also hear people say, "Take it easy," or even "Peace out." Yes, people really say that. It's friendly, casual, and a little dramatic, in a fun way. Great job today. Now you know how to buy snacks, drinks, and mysterious convenience store foods, all while using natural everyday English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support the channel. It helps a lot, and it lets me keep making fun, easy English lessons for you. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, keep laughing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Peace out.